Hello everyone, welcome to 5-Minute WordPress. In this video, we are going to learn how you can install a theme in WordPress. First thing first, what is a WordPress theme? A WordPress theme is a collection of templates and style sheets which define the visual appearance of your WordPress website. For example, if you change the theme of your mobile device, the visual appearance of the display also changes, right? Similarly, a WordPress theme controls the presentation of a WordPress website content. Let's start. To install a theme in WordPress, there are two methods. First, install a theme from WordPress.org repository by search, and second, install a theme by uploading a zip package. For the first method, let's go to the WordPress dashboard and then Appearance, Themes. After that, you need to click on Add New. Here you will see all the free themes listed from WordPress repository. You can sort or view them by featured, popular, latest, etc. You can install any of these themes or search for the specific one. Let's search for the default WordPress theme 2020 and then click Install. After that, click Activate. Now you see the visual appearance of the web page content. Okay, we just learned the first method of installing a WordPress theme. Now the second method. In some cases, you may receive a theme in zip package, especially if you buy a premium theme. To upload a theme from a zip package, let's go to the WordPress dashboard and then Appearance, Themes. After that, you need to click on Add New and then Upload Themes. Now select the theme's zip package from your computer and click Install Now. You see the theme is installed and you need to activate it by clicking the Activate link. Let's visit the web page again, and what you see, the visual appearance is a bit different now with this new theme. Hey, we just learned the second method of installing a WordPress theme. However, for the second method, you also can install the theme a bit differently. This is how it goes. Just unzip the theme's zip package and put the theme folder in the WordPress theme directory. After that, go to the WordPress dashboard and then Appearance, Themes. You will see your theme is in the list. All you need to activate the theme. Wow! We just now mastered installing WordPress themes. In the next lesson, we will learn how to customize a WordPress theme so you can change the visual appearance of your web page according to your need. Let's not forget to subscribe our channel and stay with us to learn everything about world's most popular CMS, WordPress. Thank you.